Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have two NASCAR Authentics from the 2023 Wave 1. We have Austin Dillon and Martin Truex Jr.'s Bass Pro Shops Patriotic race cars. The backs are pretty much the same with both. You can get Keselowski, Blaney's body armor car, Chase Elliott, Todd Gilliland, and Chris Buescher, and many more other diecast, including these two. First, let's get Austin Dillon out of his box. Lower down the screen a little so you can see better. So here we have a sticker, which is the number 3, his name, his special logo, Bass Pro Shops, and some stars. So here we have his Patriotic 2022 car. So we have a blue hood with the Bass Pro Shops, and in 2022 it was the 50th anniversary for Bass Pro. A classic red curve on the side with some blue in the background with red slanted in the near end. On the back it says Tracker Off-Road with the Bass Pro logo. And on the sides it says Bass Pro Shops with the Tracker Off-Road. Oh wait, no, this is Tracker Off-Road, sorry. I have no idea what this symbol is, but I think this is supposed to be something for the veterans who served our country. So obviously the new next gen cars have a single lug nut, single exhaust system. And that was Austin Dillon. Let's take a look now at Martin Truex Jr.'s 2022 Bass Pro Shops car. So here we have his sticker, the Bass Pro Shops logo, 19, Martin Truex Jr. So here we have his car. Now his car, next gen car, is a lot similar to his regular paint schemes in the Gen 6 car. So here's the Bass Pro Shops logo, same as Austin Dillon's car with the Bass Pro Shops 50th anniversary logo. Obviously on top it has USO. Also Johnny Morris, I forgot to mention, his name is above the Bass Pro Shops logo. So obviously the blue hood with the red 19. I think the difference is now is that it has this white stripe along with the red, as the American flag. On the sides here, you got his number, Bass Pro Shops, the coffee company, Reese's, and the American flag on the side. Also on his trunk up top right here, it has Cabela's, which is part of the Bass Pro Shop brands. As you know, you see Bass Pro Shops and Cabela's. It had lots of stores at Bass Pro. Some little stars. Here's a 360 view of Martin Truex Jr. And that'll be it for today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.